Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So a bit of a nothing day yesterday, but this big cup and handle has now got a small cup and handle to the right of it, sorry. So there's definitely a lot of structure here that we're very aware of, and I'm just going to adjust this right onto the swing high. Price is basically there at the moment. It is just rounded off to what is that? It'll be 1900. So for me at the moment, oscillators are not really helping us right now. We've had a big up and down week so far, and if you come down through the time frames, you can see the chaos that we've had. So the week kicked off with a bit of chaos, accelerated to the upside. You can see the level that we are playing with is this pin bar right here is at 1900. We did break through it last week, and we haven't really, we got above it and then pulled back. So that is the line in the sand that we're trying to get above. If you look at the oscillators on the 3 hour, have a look at the crossover here. We've separated, pointing up. This is fairly bullish, and as far as I'm concerned, this cup and handle structure, once this gives way and we come back to test structure, we've got a massive move on the cards of roughly 800 points. So I would be watching very closely for that. Sorry, we don't want to do that just yet. Trying to get to the lower time frame. Looking at the hour, you can see how the day kicked off, and this would attract quite a few people, to be honest. People jumping on the train. It goes into chaos, builds what looks like a flag, and everybody just stays in overnight, and look what happens. We're right back where we started previous day. So I am of the opinion that you need to be still waiting for the pullback. There is structure all the way down at 18,910, and the other level that I am very interested in that has yet to be defended successfully. We tried to do it on Tuesday, but then barreled through us on Wednesday or yesterday, and then just mucked around here. So it's the top of this pin bar here, and that is 18,929. So that's kind of what I would expect us to come back to test. That's if this flips into a range. The alternative here is that we break through this at the open, come back and test 1900. And if that's the case, whatever the test is, you're looking for inside bars, engulfing bars, and pin bars, and you'd be looking for an opportunity to the upside. So if you look at this on the 15 minutes, early session was fairly simple until sort of hour before the market opened, and then a day of big up and big down, above and below the moving averages, nothing worth trading. That's kind of my view at the moment. Now if you're on the 15 minutes, you can start adding the other levels in. Here's a fairly interesting level here at 18,972, and I can extend it to every single fractal that you see here, and they will all hold up price somewhat. So the moral of the story this morning is you do have a big cup and handle and a smaller cup and handle, but don't read too much into it just yet. We would need to break through 1900 properly, not something like we saw on Tuesday. You can see this little break here. We need to see price really move past it, then come back aggressively, test it and bounce. That would be your entry to go long at the top. Alternatively, you want to assume that it's not going to be a cup and handle, it's going to be a range, and you're looking for it to come back down and close this gap, and then you're looking for the opportunity to get back in. But then your target would be this 1900 again. That's kind of me this morning. Be very cautious. I think there's no reason to jump in and be careless here. You want to be very, very cautious about what we're doing, and make sure that you have price action on the level before jumping in, and jump in on the break of that price action, not just for the sake of jumping in. So I suppose a bit of patience is on course for today. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.